The website, I bought the domains and stuff for the plumbing website. I'm building two websites for this client. I'm building a website for plumbing, and I'm building a website for logistics and haulage. So right now I'm searching for a logistics template. I can use a WordPress template. So typically I'm registered with Envato Elements. So what I just did is, based on the fact that I'm subscribed with them, I just clicked on this drop down and I've selected WordPress, and I put in logistics, and it's giving me a load of templates I can edit that are WordPress templates. You definitely want to make sure that it's responsive, meaning that it adjusts the screen size, it adjusts the template according to the device that you're using, that your customers would use to access your website. Meaning, if they're accessing it on an iPad, it would shrink or it would expand. If they're accessing it on a very tiny smartphone, it would shrink or it would expand according to the size of the screen. So you need to make sure it's responsive. Retina Ready are mostly to do with Macs and Apples, so normally I don't select that anyways. Yeah, and all these are responsive apparently. So I found a few based on these options. I found Logio. I think Logio is there's this one that I really like, Trucker King, I guess. I think yeah, so this is another step. So apart from finding the images, I also look for the templates I'm going to use. Make sure I download that. So this is Logio here. You can immediately download it, and you've got commercial rights over it. Look at that, commercial license. You've got commercial license over it. You'd get documentation included, updates included, and personalized support not included. But sometimes the developers can be nice enough to give you personalized support, even though you've got it through Envato Elements. Obviously, if you buy it through ThemeForest, you would get support. You can pay for support for 6 months or for a year, but that doesn't necessarily mean you'd get the support. Sometimes developers go offline and they don't respond any longer on ThemeForest, maybe because they're no longer interested in selling their product through ThemeForest. So sometimes you might buy support, but that doesn't guarantee you would get support. So personally, I prefer going with Envato rather than buying it through ThemeForest, because you'd find out that this same theme here would be on ThemeForest as well, but I guess they get the developer here gets to make money directly um, through ThemeForest, but I guess through Envato they make less money, because I can download this theme 1 million times through Envato and they get less money versus ThemeForest, where you need to download it and get a product key and product license for every single download. So you might not get support here, but like I said, you could get support on ThemeForest, but there's no guarantees, I believe. So that's the downside of downloading templates, because sometimes certain bits and pieces like plugins that the developer might have used to build the website might be outdated, or whatever they put together as a package in the template might be outdated. If you can't find a developer and you're not tech savvy, you might not be able to fix the problem. But the way I've been able to work around that is change the theme completely to a different theme, which is not a bad thing. As long as your user experience on your website is great, I don't think customers are bothered about what your website has changed to. If they go to the website, as long as the color schemes is the same, which is okay, your brand colors are yellow. In my case, Yettis Kitchen. For Yettis Kitchen, the brand colors are yellow. So whatever theme I choose, I always make sure that I can change the color themes of that template to yellow. I don't think the customer's going to go, oh, they got a new website, so I'm not going to buy from them. As long as they get onto the website, they can order what they want to order, or they can contact you, they can read information about you. I don't think it makes a difference to a customer if you change your template or your theme every year. So on average, if you can't find the developer and you can't change the bug or the error on your website, the way I've been able to work around that is change the theme completely, which then takes me about a week or about 3-4 days of downtime website wise to upload a new theme and update the information on that website or on the new template. But it's just 3-4 days, or if you really want to do it, you can do it in a day, like I said before, meaning you drink lots of coffees, you put your head to it, you don't sleep, and you just get it on. But like I said, I'm still talking about doing it yourself. At the end of the day, you can hire somebody to do it for you, and that way you can sleep and you pay somebody to do this website editing and updating your website for you, or you could pay me. Where can you find my information? I'm TSG, that's my girl. You can find me on Facebook, or just type in TSG, that's small girl. Just type that in, and you'd find me everywhere, really. You find me on SoundCloud, you find me on Instagram, you find me on Facebook. Yeah, you find me everywhere. Yes. So that's me, but it's not about me. So yes, once you download your template, so Logio, I don't know if I'm trying to choose between Logio and if I'm trying to choose between Truck King. These are the two templates that are really exciting me right now. I think I like Truck King because it's got these demos and stuff. It says connecting people. This looks a bit very professional, kind of like a DHL. If I go with Logio, it looks I don't know. Let's see, Logio. So literally, I'm looking for a hero image. Like I told you guys before, is the huge image that's here. This can be a video, as you can see, and I'm just trying to see the look and feel of the website, what it can do. You've got social icons here. You have a drop down here, which would be great for people on mobile. What do they see? It tells you the office address, email address, and where you can contact them immediately. It has a paginating thingy to go to the top of the page or to go to the bottom of the page. It has the options for English or USA or whatever, so that's good. You have your logo on the left. So I'm just looking for something that will meet the needs of my clients. Yeah, this looks nice. So literally register with Envato, and they have so many things. I do stock video, I get stock footage from them, I get video templates in terms of editing a trailer. If I wanted to edit a trailer, if I wanted to edit flyers, if I wanted to get music for a film that I'm editing, because I also edit films. I also do short films, I do documentaries as well. Look out for a documentary. Yettis Kitchen will definitely be releasing documentaries on Netflix. Part of the things I do, on average, I do about 14 things, talent-wise, in terms of I'm a writer, I do music, I own a restaurant, the list goes on. There's no point in me boring you about me. This is about building websites. So you get music for your trailers, get music for your new movies, and like I said, they're copyright free, so you won't get sued. You could get sound effects, maybe a door closing or a car screeching down the road. Maybe you wanted to create an effect in your movie, or you wanted to make a horror, so you wanted a horror sound in the background while somebody's walking in. Just, you can get so much from Envato Elements. And like I said, this is not a paid ad, I'm just telling you that they make my life easy. Graphic templates, as you can see, they've got logos, they've got product mock-ups. So if you're, for example, I'm a restaurant owner, many times I want a product mock-up, so it shows our t-shirts, it shows the uniform that my staff wears in the restaurant. I get product mock-ups from here where somebody's wearing a shirt and I can just put my logo on it, and it brings it to life for me. Yeah, so many things. You get your websites, your UI and UX kits, logos, graphics, you get fonts, you get everything. Presentation, maybe you have a presentation and you want to look very professional to your clients. They give you presentation templates as well, which is PowerPoint templates that you can edit, that's already been done, color scheme has been done and designed for you. They give you stock images, free stock photos as well. They give you fonts, so many things. And also, what I love the most, because I use this for my children, I scroll all the way to the bottom and we have Envato Tots. This Envato Tots, which is a tutorial aspect of Envato, where they teach you a lot of things. So my son is 8. One of my sons, I've got 3 children. I've got 3 children, which are all boys. My 8-year-old has just completed a Photoshop course online with Envato Tots, where he learned how to use Photoshop as a beginner all the way, and now he actually, I use Photoshop as well, and I believe he actually knows how to use Photoshop better than I do, because I've just learned Photoshop by making mistakes and correcting myself and then learning through YouTube videos and stuff, but he's actually sat down to learn every single button on learn about every button on Photoshop. So I'll suggest you, if you want to get to building websites, download your templates from Envato and see how it goes.